cute.
I think I lost this too.
Here she comes to save the day. Hey, go get your sandwich. I set it on the cooler for you.
Dad, you like it? Dad.
Oh, I love it.
I'm going to put it up there.
Okay. Okay, what is this now?
Oh, it's a lantern. You put a flashlight through here, and then you just need to put lights.
June, that is genius. You are so creative.
We need a light bulb to put through here, and it can be a light.
Okay, we'll have to find one. Love you.
Love you.
Mwah. Junie and I are taking a coloring break.
Do you like mine?
Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful.
Wow, June, I love that.
I didn't color the stuff that's already colored.
That's
I
fine.
just colored.
Hank and June made targets. There's June's target. Hank hung his up.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little hand hole here to make my connections and then run that from there into here, which is where our water lines will come up through the bottom of the floor. And then this is where all of our treatment will go. So I just gotta have some scrap wood here. So I'm just gonna sheet that. And then later I will build the walls, not today, but next time we're out here.
June, I love them. You are so good at coloring. Let's go check on Dad and Hank now.
Yeah, but
Thanks for helping dig my ditch.
Nice, Hank.
just get a little bit closer.
You would. So what's Hank doing? He's just making that bigger hole for your ditch?
That ditch needs to be deeper.
Mom.
What he's doing?
Mom, look.
Nice.
I have a master sword.
The master sword.
Kill it, Dad.
For what? Oh.
June, don't. Stop touching the slugs, you sicko.
Okay, let's go.
Sicko.
There's a dead one over there. I didn't know it. Knew exactly how I want. Tell shoot, I tell a lie. Wanna give myself here. Yeah, we're driving on the freeway. Only got one thing in the back of my mind. Feeling like this might be my time to shine. With you, with you, with you. I got my head sunroof.
Oh, did you miss your sister?
What's that
I love you.
Can I get a hug?
Can I get a hug? She's walking past us.
Hi, Heath. How you doing, buddy? Vamos!
I'm gonna get you.
After my sleeping.
We have to stay the night tomorrow night or the next night.
And tomorrow. Mama.
Hi, baby. I missed you.
You guys have fun?
I missed
Weekend?
you.
Did you?
Whoa, that was sick. So I'm going to take this subfloor off so that I can release the ledger off of the shipping container, because I actually have to jack the shipping container up on this end because it's a 1/2 inch off and it was throwing my whole thing off. So I'm just going to loosen it all up, take it off, and then I'm going to jack it up and then reattach it so it's all square. So that's kind of the plan.
Nice. Dad, there's a nail sticking out.
Okay. So we're good. So let's go jack that thing up.
Okay.
See, so we're raising it. So a little bit at a time. I only had to jack it up a 1/2 inch for my platform to be level. So now this is level. I'm gonna screw it all back in, and then I'll be able to actually sheet it finally. Like the final sheet. I'll be able to sheet it all again and then start building the walls, because I got the 2x4s over there for the walls and some more sheeting. And there's one piece of holy sheet over there. Because this one I'll put a hole in it for the water pipes to come in. And so it'll be holy sheet. Okay, so I got everything all level, so now I'm reattaching this so I can finish sheeting it and then start building the walls. Nice burp.
Thanks.
Okay, so you can see we got the second wall up with the door.
Yeah, it looks dope.
I'm gonna have to get a custom door here because this is only 6 foot tall. End of the night.
Yeah. It's dope.
Just a little guy. Might have just that door size. Not sure yet. So I gotta get a custom door made for it. I'm pretty happy with it. So Hank's got a fire going. And I'm using technology to heat up our corn dogs.
Welcome to Zavia's. I'm Bev Gelfman, and this is my husband, Hank. What do you want? Do you know where you want to go, Hank? Go away. Well, maybe.